Understanding Workshop Venue, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the meaning of the phrases workshop and venue, and how they come together in the term workshop venue. This video is designed to help English language learners understand these concepts clearly. So, let's dive in. A workshop refers to a meeting or a session where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. Workshops are often interactive and focused on practical learning or problem solving. They can be found in educational, professional, or community settings. The word venue refers to the place where an event or meeting is held. It can be any location, like a conference room, a hall, a classroom, or an outdoor area, chosen for a specific event due to its facilities, size, accessibility, or relevance to the event's theme. When we combine these terms into workshop venue, we refer to the specific place where a workshop is conducted. The choice of a workshop venue is crucial as it can affect the accessibility, comfort, and overall success of the workshop. It's important for the venue to have the necessary amenities, space, and environment conducive to learning and interaction. Let's look at some examples to better understand the term. The workshop venue for the photography class is the Art Center downtown. We need to find a suitable workshop venue for our team building event. In these sentences, workshop venue is used to describe the specific place where the workshops on photography and team building will take place. Understanding the term workshop venue can greatly enhance your comprehension of event-related conversations in English. It's all about knowing where the action happens. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.